A lot of you guys would probably ask, why is a trade in a loss if it was in profit yesterday? And that is because we fucking set and forget. I literally follow my trading plan and I'm going to set and forget until the trade either hits my take profit or my stop loss. That's how I've taken the account from $100 to 15K or 12K, what it is now, because I set and forget the trade. I don't minimize my wins, I minimize my losses.
Look at this generation, man. Look at this. This guy wants to be a profitable trader. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Nobody. God. Hey.
And there's one more pair, which is a GBP pair is all I'm going to say. And this pair is actually very decent. I missed the trade earlier this week and I could see potential buys, very potential. And I'm so glad I did not enter this trade, because I'm telling you right now, this would have blown the account. If I would have not been inside of this position, I would have risked 100% of my account on this trade right here. No doubt in my mind. And my stop loss would have probably been right there. This trade had the beautiful breakout, had the beautiful retest, had my entry. Dude, this trade would have... just because this trade missed doesn't mean that there's not other opportunities. This is my second opportunity, third opportunity. Look at that. One trade is all we needed this week to scale the account, and I shared it in my free Sunday swings. I am not going to be doing another free Sunday swings, so if you want to see what I could potentially be doing next week, all you have to do is go to my YouTube channel and watch this live stream. Yes, it is a little long, but I literally explain everything. That is where the real value comes in. Do not miss out on the next opportunities that next week can have. I'm not going to be doing another free Sunday swings, but you can learn for what I can potentially be looking for next week by going to go watch it. All right, you should do the GTA 6 mission and go from this car to that car while it's moving. Go. Come on, you got it. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Go, 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 go! Oh, that wasn't that bad. There you go. There you go. Yeah, everybody needs a Celos in their life, bro. Look at this. This is the man right here. There you go. There you go. Yeah, buddy. Put them skinny legs to work. Yeah. Yeah. Balance is basically $20,000, basically $2,000 less than what we started off the week, even though we saw 40 something thousand when we were down here. This is crazy. And even here I was up like 30, almost 30 something thousand, and that's where I was supposed to close the balance at. What a waste of time using these shady platforms, bro. What a waste of time. And now we're only up about $1,000 on the trade. You gotta love it. So this is the first trade that we actually avoided the loss on. I think the only way I'll take the trade is if we have the rejection from this right shoulder with an engulfing. We never got the engulfing, so we avoided this unnecessary loss. Then we entered this next trade. I literally explained I'm gonna enter the sell as soon as we have the break and retest under this area of interest. We got our 1 hour bullish engulfing candlestick at 8 o'clock in the morning. Entered the trade, started going down. As soon as it started going down, started updating it on YouTube, and now it is putting back. I'm still very, very confident on this trading position. I would actually love for the 4 hour to close with this wick, because then the next one should fill it. Keyword should, doesn't mean that it has to, but it would be very nice for it to at least close under this area of interest right now, and that it would stay under this EMA as well. So I'm actively watching this position right now. Might cut my profits. So yesterday was a really, really fun day. It was random. Oh, we got another spotter. We got another one. Look at this guy. Look at this guy's spotting. Look. What do you want to do with $100?
Best toy in the world.
The best toy in the world? How old are you?
5.
Okay, you can buy the best toy. And I also bought this, but this is not for me. This is for a very special friend of mine that supposedly he wants it, and I'm gonna just pull up on it casually and see if he actually likes it. If he likes it, I'm gonna take it off my chain, take it off my neck, and then give it to him. Any guesses?
Go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway.
First pair does not need much explanation. You guys know what this pattern is. This is a Harmozy and then an A, B, C, D, C, Y, C pattern. This is a head, and this is a level. You guys should know what we are looking for on this market right here. Very simple, very straightforward. Oh man, no! We're about to lose another $3,000 on this fucking trade. Literally exactly what I anticipated. I knew price was going to pull back, but I didn't think it was gonna do this. Literally, I'm so glad I did not add an entry here last night, and I was debating it because I was like, you know what, it's having the pullback to retest this level, so then it actually has the rejection how it did here. Dude, I don't know how I did not get wicked out there, bro. I have no fucking idea, but damn, we are literally down $6,000. Nah, but I can't even believe this, bro. This guy is up $5,000. This guy's up more than I am. Look at this. Go check out his story. Let's see what he posted. He posted this. That's everything he posted. Look at this other guy posted here. This guy also said, this guy's up $300. Yo, the win rate is 60-65%. Return rate is strategy is 90%. Yeah, I mean, I have to say this just to account for the losses, but bro, that's the song. On the free Sunday swings, we were originally looking for sells, but then we reacted and adapted and then went for the buys. And USD JPY wasn't the only market. We literally broke down every single one of these markets. And I trade more than just these. Every single Sunday, I break down every single one of these markets with my students. And then I pick the top 2, top 3, top 4 that I'm going to be trading for the week ahead. So this is exactly what I'm going to be doing again this Sunday, but with my students. A little bit late to this week's trade update, but you know what? It is what it is. The markets haven't given us the opportunities to enter a trade. It has given us opportunities for the market to move, but not for it to align with our strategy to be able to enter the trade. So stay tuned to these trade updates. We're gonna have trades tonight in London session, mandatory. I'm seeing it. The opportunity is there. The trades are lining up. Tonight is gonna be one of those. What the fuck is happening? We have taken $100 to $15,000 in 2.5 weeks. Literally showing you guys the whole entire process. When I enter the trade, the drawdown, the extra entry, the break and retest, the next break and retest, and now $15,000 fucking dollars in 2.5 weeks. The goal for the week was $600. We said, fuck that. 10,000 over. Oh my goodness. And even then, I know a lot of you guys are missing out on the trades because you're not part of Sunday Swings. If you guys join Sunday Swings today, I'm going to give you access to my whole entire course, my psychology series, my actual private Discord with students, and a weekly call with me every single week where I'm going to share with you the before, the during, the after of every single trade live. Literally my entry point, my stop loss point, my take profit point every single Sunday. And you're going to have me live every single Sunday for life where you can ask me whatever questions you may want to ask me. If you don't join Sunday Swings, you're missing out. Exactly what I did. So let me explain to you guys the exact strategy that I used on this, because obviously in that breakdown it was really fast. So the first things first is you can clearly see how we are approaching price at an area of interest, which is this big box. Once we're at this area of interest, I look for my shift of structure, or also known as a head and shoulders pattern. Then I simply waited for the confirmation that we rejected the head and shoulders pattern. Key, you have to wait for the confirmation. You cannot enter the trade without the confirmation. Then you have to wait for them to retest. That is the perfect entry right here. So I entered a little bit after, but I could have obviously entered at this retest. Price obviously came back, rejected the neckline again, gave me another engulfing, and then set and forget. So I placed my take profit level at a very key point, which is going to be at after this body close under this. I set my first take profits to this structure point, and that's where we had the price to set up a 1 to 2.4 risk to reward. Literally go back 3 stories and you guys can see how I explained this position. Didn't make it all the way here, but we're gonna have the move. We had the move. Oh, fuck. So you know what? I'm not mad about it because we actually avoided the degenerate trade, which was this position right here, which if we would have taken it, we would have had to drive the beetle. Didn't take it, so no beetle, but the move did happen, which is what's annoying. But what this is doing now is setting up the potential trade that we're interested in taking on the sells once we retest the neckline of this head and shoulders. So now we're retesting the neckline of the head and shoulders, retesting daily EMA, retesting area of interest, and the logical level. Can't make it any easier. You know, I'll take partial blame simply because I got sold the shiny object syndrome. They marketed to me as no commission, no spread, fast withdrawals, but I didn't account the slippage. What good is no commission, no spread if you're gonna hit with crazy slippage? It is literally pointless. And I'm so glad that I stuck to my principles, and they've been pushing me super hard all week to promote it from the second I started the account, which was this week. And I have not taken any positions on the account. This is the first position I take, and they've been pushing me to market it. I'm like, no, I gotta test it out, I gotta test it out, I gotta test it out. And look, now I have to withdraw my money and then move to a different broker, which I know the guys that are running it behind it, but it's not such an attractive offer, right? There's a little bit higher commission, a little bit higher spread, but I can guarantee you this shit would never happen, like ever. It's a very corporate, serious broker. It's just, you know, it's a little bit on the expensive side, but you won't deal with stuff like this. And I'm honestly gonna have to go that direction now because I cannot afford this type of slip. I did not risk more on this trade. Like, I literally explained this yesterday to perfection. I explained once we pull back to the area of interest, then here I'm gonna be looking for my entries. Beautiful 4-hour engulfing off of around psychological level. And then when you go down to the lower time frame, you can literally see the shift of structure. You see the pattern that I'm always talking about, the head and shoulders. We pull up, get the break, neckline, sell. Like, so truthfully, I can't even lie right now. I actually, like, we did look at my entries. I actually entered the 2 positions here, and then I entered another one here. But then as soon as I entered it, basically it shot down, and I wasn't able to risk more on this position. Sucks. But now that I think about it, even if you would have taken all 4 trades that I gave at the beginning of the week, let's say 2 of them won and then 2 of them lost, so 2 winners, 2 losers, you would have lost, let's say, 2% on these 2 trades, but on these other 2 trades, you would have made at least a 1 to 3, so you would have made 6%. So that is the game. You got a 50-50 win rate, but then if the winners that you have are 3, 4, 5 times more than your losses, you're fucking profitable, baby. That's how fucking trading works. This market, we missed that entry signal, which kind of sucks. USD JPY just continued to head to the downside, and then this trade was a trade that I would have probably taken realistically. I can't even lie. I was just already in USD JPY, so I couldn't execute a trade onto there. So really, really good week so far.